Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Beardy's Tools magnetic base to the Milwaukee M18 High Output XC. There's two different variants. There's the 6 amp hour and the 8 amp hour. The only difference is the internals. It's the same casing. So we have 4 tamper-proof Torx 10s. So we're going to remove those first. I definitely do not recommend using a power tool. You don't want to strip out the plastic inside the battery casing, nor do you want to strip out the screw head. So I'm just going to break these free real quick. And to save time, I'm going to grab my Vessel electric screwdriver, which is limited to 8.85 inch-pounds of torque on the electric motor. Make it quicker, especially these next ones. They're pretty deep on this battery, so this isn't the best tool for getting to them, but get those out of the way, set them down. Okay, now we want to grab the bag of replacement screws. We're going to pull out those replacement screws and set them down. And then, while we still have the bag, we're going to grab the original screws and we're going to put them inside. We're going to seal it up and we're going to mark it M18HO. So we need to keep those for warranty. So next, I have my part number up here to signify it's the front, unless it says front. Otherwise, you can just take a look at it and see that it's going to go together this way. So put it in, we're going to line it up. We're just going to give it some light pressure. Shouldn't take too much. If it gets kind of off angle, it'll slow down. But we've got the vents for the batteries on all 4 sides here, because we don't want to overheat the batteries and kill yourselves prematurely. So next thing, if you're taking it off to swap to a different battery because this one's dead, you're going to be sending it in for warranty or you're just done with it. To remove the base, holding the battery firmly, you're just going to side to side walk the magnetic base off. The reason you want to walk it side to side is because these posts will get broken off if you're going forward backward. If they break off, it's okay. They're just added overkill for the design. They're not necessary. The design still has plenty of strength to function without it, so if it breaks off, it's not the end of the world. Still put it on and get back to work. So we're going to drop these 4 longer screws in here. And these ones are Phillips. So I'm going to swap over to my Phillips bit on my Vessel. And here again, we're not looking for tight, we're looking for snug. So I'm going to loosely hold it while I push on the power button, so that as it gets to the end, the torque is going to remove it from my finger before any damage can happen. I'm going to do that to all 4. What I really like about this Vessel screwdriver is you get the electric drive, but you also have a manual drive. So now I'm going to come back with it, get it to lock into manual, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure, and I'm going to see if they need to go even a little bit more tight. None of them really did, so there we go. We are all set up, ready to be used.